Constructions there is and there are. Let's start our lesson. Оборот there с личной формой глагола to be в английском языке употребляется очень часто. Имеет значение есть, имеется, находится. То есть в тех случаях, когда говорящий хочет подчеркнуть факт наличия или отсутствия какого-либо предмета или явления, а не место, в котором находится. There is a bus in the street. There are buses in the street. There is will be a bus in the street. Single form. There are two buses in the street. It will be plural form. Если в предложении несколько подлежащих, то выбор формы глагола is или are определяется тем подлежащим, который стоит первым. There is a bed and 3 chairs in the room. There are 3 chairs and a bed in the room. Если английское предложение начинается с конструкции there is или there are, на русский язык такое предложение следует переводить, начиная с конца. There are 4 books in the bag. В сумке 4 книги. And the not. There is not a lamp on the table. There are not 4 photos on the wall. Отрицательную форму можно образовывать также с помощью местоимения no, которое ставится перед существительным. В этом случае существительное управляется без артикля. There is no flower in the vase. There are no cats on the roof. Is there? Are there? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Is there a table in my room? Yes, there is. Are there 4 photos on the wall? No, there are not. There is and there are. So, let's continue our lesson. Конструкция there is, there are обозначает есть, находится, но используется, чтобы рассказать о местоположении каких-либо предметов или объектов. There is a boy in the class. For example. So, there is and there are. What? Where? There is a computer on the table. There is a computer on the table. There are pupils in the class. There are pupils in the class will be in plural form. Yeah? There is a computer in the singular form. So, перевести обращаю внимание на выделенные слова. There are 2 chairs in my room. В моей комнате 2 стуля. There are nice pictures in the book. В книге красивые картинки. There is a computer on the table. На столе стоит компьютер. Такие предложения переводятся на русский язык с конца. Сначала мы скажем, где находится предмет, а потом, что это за предмет. There is a computer on the table. На столе стоит компьютер. Is или are. There is единственное число, there are множественное число. There is a book on the table. There are 2 books on the table. Is или are. Слова подсказки для there is, article a, слова one и much. Слова подсказки для there are. Окончание s. Числительно больше 2. Слова many и a lot of. Is или are. So, let's do our example. There is a hamburger on the plate. You can say a, article a, and you must use is. There is a hamburger on the plate. So, many little trees in the park. There are many little trees in the park. There are many children. It's the plural form. That's why you must use that there are many children in our school. There is a big tree in the garden. There is a big tree in the garden. There are many boys and girls in the park. There is a toy monkey in the box. Let's check. Yeah? Hamburger. There is. Many trees are. Many children are. A big tree is. Many boys are. A toy monkey there is. Утвердительные предложения. What and where. There also is a. There are. There is. There is. There are. There are. Отрицательное предложение. There is and there are. What and where. No. There is no computer in my room. There is no what computer where in my room. There is no computer in my room. There is no books on the table. There are no what books. There are no books where on the table. There is plus no, there isn't. There are not. There aren't. There is a. So, is there a what and where? Is there a computer in my room? Is there in a question sentences? Is there a computer in my room? In my room. Where? In my room. What computer? Yes, there is. No, there isn't. Are there books on the table? Are there books on the table? Books what? Books on the table where? Yes, there are. No, there aren't. Сделай предложение отрицательным или вопросительным. Так, здесь мы должны сделать отрицательное предложение. There is no, there isn't a book on the table. There isn't a book on the table. There are many trees in the park. Are there many trees in the park? Are auxiliary verb must please to the first place. Are there many trees in the park? There are not a lot of shops in London. In London, yeah? There are not a lot of shops in London. There are not a lot of shops in London. After are, we must add not. There is a computer in our classroom. Is there a computer in our classroom? Is there a computer in our classroom? There are many boys and girls in the park. There are not many boys and girls in the park. There is a bird in the tree. Is there a bird in the tree? Выбери правильный ответ. A chair near the window. There is a chair near the window. There are in the back. There are. So there is. Let's continue. There is a chair near the window. Yeah, there is a right word. And there are in the back. There are a lot of books in the back. A lot of books, because there are, it's a construction with the plural form. There are many. There are not many toys under the chair. There aren't. So, there isn't only one sandwich in the basket. Is there a bird in the tree? Are there on the table? Are there pencils on the table? So, a lot of books, yeah? Let's check. There are not many toys under the chair. So, it's right. And there is also only one sandwich in the basket. So, is there a bird in the tree? Are there pencils on the table? Are there pencils on the table? So, there are появляется перед существительным во множественном числе. There are pupils in the class. There are many books on the shelf. There are apples in the basket. So, Отрицательное предложение there is and there are. Образуется по схеме there is plus not or no, что plus где. Example. There is a book on the table. There is not a book on the table here. There is no book on the table. There is not any book on the table. Образуется по схеме is, are, plus there, что and где. Вопросительное предложение there is and there are, да? There is a book on the table. Is there a book on the table? There are pupils in the class. Are there pupils in the class? Упражнение на закрепление. Вставьте there is and there are. For example, there is no table in the room. Some balls there are some balls there. There is a black car near the house. There are shelves on the wall. There is juice in the glass. There is a hen and 4 chickens in the cage. There are many trees in the park. There are shelves on the wall. There is juice in the glass, yeah? There is hen and 4 chickens in the cage. There are many trees in the park. There is not a picture on the page. So, вставьте there is and there are. There is no table in the room. That's right. There are some balls there. There is a black car near the house. There are shelves on the wall. There is juice in the glass. There is a hen and 4 chickens in the cage. There are many trees in the park. There is not a picture on the page. Выберите правильный перевод положения. There is a cake on the plate. На тарелке торт. Да? The pen is in the pencil box. Ручка в пенале. В пенале ручки. The toys are in the box. Игрушки в коробке игрушки. There are books on the shelf. На полке книги. Книги на полке. На игрушки в коробке, ручка в панели. Ага. На тарелке торт. Игрушки в коробке, да? Ручка в панели. В пенале, так, на полке книги. The right versions. Упражнение на закрепление. Is the window large? Yes, there is. Is it a window in the room? Is there a window in the room? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, it is. Also. Is it a picture on the wall? Yes, there is. Yes, it is. Is it funny? Is there funny? Yes, there is. Yes, it is. Is there funny? Is it funny? Is it funny? Is the window large? Yes, it is. Is there a window in the room? Yes, there is. Is there a picture on the wall? Yes, there is. And is it funny? Yes, it is. So, there is a TV set, yeah, on the wall, the carpet on the floor. You can see also the table with the carpet. You can see a lot of the cupboard, yeah. This room, there is a lot of green and the pillows. 1, 2, 3, 4 pillows in the bed. So, what else? So, in this picture you can see the TV, the green pillows. You can 1, 2, 3, 4 pillows, yeah. Carpets, also everything you can see, and you can see also the green one. Also, we can see there is употребляется единственное число, да? There is a boy in the room. There is a door and 2 windows in the room. Если первое существительное нечисляемое, то тогда будет